All right, so day two. It's supposed to start snowing here. We'll see how much we get. I got the window vents popped out on this side. Those ones, so I'm gonna paint those up. And then in between coats, I'm gonna get these speakers wired up. I'm gonna have to chop this off and just wire them in. So I gotta do that, and then I'll dive into the deck. These dash pieces of radio, so yeah, I'll paint those up. I had them warming up overnight, and then also the paint can warming up overnight, so it should spray nice. How's it going? A little bit sidetracked, but I just started splicing this one in. I'm running out of connectors, so gotta make do with what I got. So once this one's spliced in, I don't know, because this is a green black and this is a white black, so I guess the green black's positive. I don't know. Then I gotta rip the head unit out and find out why it's not, or I might have to jump a wire using this, because it's getting power in one side, so the memory, like, it doesn't have constant 12 volts going to it, so every time it shuts off and resets. So I need to jump a wire that's got 12 volts all the time to something else. So yeah, speakers, they're both working, all wired in nice, and they sound good. So that's good. So I just got to figure out why, or jump a wire or something in the back of the deck, but I already can't feel my hands and it hasn't even started snowing yet, so this is good. So time just keeps going further. It still hasn't started snowing, which is weird. But none of these pins on the stock harness are 12 volt constant, which is weird. So I went into my cigarette layer, and none of these were getting power either, so I checked the fuse was blown, plugged the fuse back in, or put a new fuse in, and this yellow and blue one is 12 volt constant, so I'm gonna cut this wire or pull the connector out, because I don't need cigarette layer, that's stupid. And then yeah, then I can just use that wire, run it to these ones. I guess just run. See, it's hard because I'm gonna have to do a three-way connect here. Or I guess this doesn't really matter. Yeah, that doesn't matter. So I can just leave that and then just connect it into this wire, and then that'll be good. It's in, it's all working good. Just mounting the shift knob. It was all siliconed on, so I'm gonna spray the top of this so it looks nice. And then we can vacuum this out, get the dash back together. Should be good. Both of these shafts, I've got some silver paint. I think I'm gonna try that. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, then I might go white or just back to black. So I got that all taped off. Let's do it. Shift knobs are still drying. Just got this door panel on. That's good to go. So just have to get that door panel on, put the dash back together, get this tape off, shift knob on, clean up, seat, done. So door panels are on. It's getting cleaner in here. Just need to throw the shift knob on, or shift knobs. Put the dash together. And yeah. Okay, so it's snowing now. Dash is all together, shift knobs on. Extra screws, no surprise there. So now I just gotta clean this thing out. And oh yeah, I gotta do these knobs. I got new knobs there. Yeah, let's do it. So bench seat is in. Now I just need to do all my interior detailing stuff, like the wipe down, and then throw the floor mats in, and we are done. I love the way this looks in here. This is the only thing that's weird. I don't remember that being like that before, but we'll see how it drives. Snow's still coming. It's done. we're just working on putting this mirror on because it had an extension. I need to go through, put that kick panel on, and then once again vacuum this out, and then that'll be it. I've cleaned up the dash. Everything works. This is awesome. So it's as much done as I wanted to get done today, but it's only noon, so I'm gonna clean up all this, have some lunch. I'm gonna pop all the rest of these trims off if I can. And then I want to throw that, I still need to vacuum it out once more. Got that intake I can throw on. Then I'm probably going to cut the muffler off and maybe do something with the exhaust. Put those floor mats in. Got a rear view mirror for it that I can toss in there. This is a 2.5 to 3 adapter. The stock exhaust is 2.5. And I gotta do these headlight switches too, but I need to Dremel down this one because it's too long. And then pop the interior fuse back in. So there's still stuff to do, but I just want to clean this up. Floor mats are in, knobs are on, fuse is back in, this panel's back in, interior's done, and now I'm gonna throw on this intake. Oh yeah, and I need to do the rear view mirror too. We'll do that. Yeah, I'm just gonna pop this intake out here. I hope it's just that one bolt there. Just got that intake in there. I think the guy said it was a Holly intake. And just working on getting the AC out. Okay, so it's getting around, this is my Sunday, it's getting around that time. So we're just throwing on a quick exhaust here. Just have to do a few tacks there. It'll shoot out the side a bit, so it'll be straight piped.
What about that piece?
This is already mocked up.
Would this bring it out far enough though? Out to the... Would that slide onto
I
that?
don't think that will. Okay, so the exhaust is on. We ended up using a different pipe. I tacked it on a little bit. It's good. So just gonna fire it up. And yeah. IDI NAs are like the loudest thing ever.